this video, I'm going to go over some of the basic features of the Dragon PowerMic mobile application. On my mobile phone, as seen on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the word targets. Targets is if you're having some issues connecting your mobile device to the computer that you're using that you would like to dictate with. You can click the word targets and it'll try to reconnect for you. If you're having issues connecting and this isn't working, you can call the help desk at extension 4000 and they'll be glad to help you with this. The next button is the checkmark box, or the checkmark. The checkmark is a simple hide feature, and all it does is hide the Dragon toolbar, as seen here. I'll click on the checkmark box and you'll notice that the Dragon toolbar will disappear. When I click on the checkmark box again, the toolbar will reappear. Next is a useful feature. Let's say, for example, that you need to look at an X-ray, but you would like to be able to dictate and look at the X-ray at the same time. You can click on this dictation box here as seen on the mobile device. When I click on this, you'll be able to start dictating into a text box. So on my mobile device, I will click on this button here, the Dragon Pad. Dragon Pad will load and will give me the opportunity to begin dictating my note. This patient's left hand looks A-OK. Now when I'm ready, I can automatically take this text and move it directly into the patient's chart. Now that I'm back in the patient's chart, I click in the field that I want the text to go into, and then I'm going to click on the Transfer Text button, which is noted right here. When I click this button on my phone, the text will move from Dragon Pad directly into the application that I'm dictating to. Next are the buttons at the bottom of the screen in Dragon. We were not going to be using these buttons at the initial launch of Cerner, so these buttons you won't have to worry about. There is a little tip though. Do be mindful of the record button. As you'll notice that when the light is solid, it is recording. So do be sure to turn this off after you're dictating. And this ends the video.